डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज अपन बात करेंगे क्यूनोलोन्स का। क्यूनोलोन्स का एससीआर की बात करेंगे। मींस एससीआर मींस स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप। Structure activity relationship means when we change a structure in a particular quinolone, then what will be the activity, or what is the difference between the activity, what is the side effect, what is the improved activity, or like that, or how it can be correlated with the structure with activity. Okay, try to understand, that is fluoroquinolones or quinolones, that is quinolones, SAR of quinolones, and these quinolones have the antibacterial activity. Okay, means whenever we will discuss about activity, that indicates the antibacterial activity. As we have discussed, that is these belongs to the antibacterial category. This is the general structure, or we can say it is the pharmacophore. Okay, pharmacophore. Pharmacophore is minimum requirement of particular receptor or to be act as a active drug known as pharmacophore. Means try to understand the numbering of the system: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this is the basically ring system are that the quinolones. Okay, try to understand first point. Let us discuss one by one. First point, that is 1,4 dihydro 4 oxa oxo 3 pyridine carboxylic acid, essential for antibacterial activity. What is this basically? Try to understand. See, basically it is suppose this one is the our pyridine ring system. This one is our pyridine ring system. Suppose this one is our pyridine. Okay, pyridine, if pyridine is saturated by 1,4 position, then it will be like this form. Okay, and nitrogen have a hydrogen. Clear? At the same time, means 1 and 4th position is saturated, means that is 1,4 dihydro. This point is this one, means first position and 4th positions are saturated. Okay, 4th position, then at the same time 4th position oxo, that is okay. 3 pyridine, that is 3rd position carboxylic acid, means 3 carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the name of this molecule. Okay, or this structure, means this part is essential for antibacterial activity. Means if we change in any thing in this condition, we will lose or we abolish the activity of particular molecule. Okay, means first point I think will be, it will be clear to all of you. Second one, that is pyridone. What is the pyridone? What is the meaning of pyridone? Basically without OH carboxylic group known as it is pyridone. Okay, means pyridine having ketone group known as pyridone. Means this one, the pyridone annulated with the aromatic ring. Means try to understand pyridone, this ring. Okay, annulated means side by attachment. Side by attachment with aromatic ring, means this we are calling about this ring system. Means this pyridone ring system can be annulated with the aromatic ring system, but condition is that it must be aromatic. Okay, then activity will be remain as such. Okay, now third point is that is try to understand what is the, and again, isosteric, that is the word. Isosteric replacement of nitrogen, active drug. Try to understand what is the meaning of this. Isosteric, iso means equal, steric means in a space, the size of particular atom or functional group. Means we are substituting the carbon by mean of nitrogen, that is the isosteric replacement. And how that is two how these are two synonyms. Means as we have discussed in a synoxacene, means like that, this is Suppose this is the our aromatic ring system, and two phenolene means nitrogen, and second position again have nitrogen. Such kind of things, that is the two phenolene, 1,5-naphthahydrin. Next one, the 1,5-naphthahydrin means fifth position instead of this nitrogen, fifth position have nitrogen. Okay, 1,6-naphthahydrin means sixth position have nitrogen. Next one, the 1,8-naphthahydrin means eighth position have nitrogen. Means we can substitute by means this position, second position fine, fifth position fine, sixth position fine, and eighth position fine. If we, these position can be substituted by nitrogen, means here you know the here carbon, here carbon, here carbon, and here carbon. At the place of carbon we can substitute nitrogen. Then at this condition the molecule will be the active, means that are derivative as 2-phenolene, that is second position, 1,5-naphthahydrin, that is fifth position, 1,6-naphthahydrin, that is sixth position, 1,8-naphthahydrin means that is eighth position, means all are active. As we have started with as a antibacterial. Okay, now this is our third point. Come to the fourth point, that is fourth point. Okay, try to understand. Substitution at second position abolish the antibacterial activity. Try to understand. If we will discuss in the SAR, then we overlook the classification during the structure of all fluoroquinolones or quinolones. You will find that there is no substitution at second position in any quinolones or any fluoroquinolones. Means second position is the very susceptible for the substitution. If we will substitute any functional group, then that is an abolishment of that particular antibacterial activity. Fine. Next, fifth position, fifth point. Substitution at 5, 6, 7, 8th position, that is increase antibacterial activity. Try to understand. Fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth position is the substitution where apart from the pyridine ring system, complete substitution is the annullated benzene ring, aromatic ring system, that is fifth position, sixth position, seventh position, or eighth position. We have discussed in the all structures of the fluoroquinolones and quinolones, all have the substitution at these positions. That's why they have the antibacterial activity. Means we can substitute at these positions, but we can't undergo the substitution at second position. Okay, this is the our fifth point. Come to the sixth point. Sixth point is the 7-piperazine and 7-aminopyrrolidine. Means seventh position. As you know, piperazine, what is the piperazine? A nitrogen para position and having 6-membered ring system like this. This structure is the piperazine, and you know the structure of piperazine, and you know the classification of all quinolones or fluoroquinolones have the piperazine moiety. Means that will be the essential or which increase the antibacterial activity. At the same time, this piperazine can be substituted by 7-aminopyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine means pyrroline, pyrrole is the 5-membered ring containing one nitrogen, that is pyrrole, and saturated form of pyrrole known as pyrrolidine. Okay, that have increased antibacterial activities. Means seventh position is substituted with piperazine or 7-aminopyrrolidine, which gives the increase in activity. Here, next point is the seventh one. Okay, 6 fluoro. Try to understand. As we have already put substituted with fluorine. This is a fluorine or molecule or fluoride. Sixth position is fluoro. Means sixth position is essential for if we are going to increase the activity. Means that is increase antibacterial activity. Increase antibacterial activity. Clear? Means sixth position, and most of quinolones are fluoroquinolones. That's why, because of they have the sixth position substitution, okay, with the fluorine. Clear? Now eighth point, one alkyl increase activity. One position, that is the first one generally one alkyl is the substitution, and one aryl is also possible. Example is trovafloxacin. Trovafloxacin have a aryl functional group at first position. Clear? Now come to the very important point, that is one ninth one. Eighth halogen, eighth position, that is this one, eight. Eighth position, if halogen is substituted, then there will be the phototoxicity of these molecules. And example is lomefloxacin. Means lomefloxacin have eighth position fluoro generally, or that cause the phototoxicity. Means if any person have lomefloxacin or have taken the lomefloxacin, if he or she go outside in presence of sunlight, then that person has phototoxicity symptoms like that. Okay, this is the one of the big breakthrough for the fluoroquinolones. Means we can't give to any person which are susceptible for phototoxicity. Okay, come to the 10th point. 5 or 8 position, try to understand, either 5 or 8 position means either amino group or methoxy group, either amino group or methoxy group. If we are substituting 5th position or 8th position by mean of either amino or methoxy, and that case lowest phototoxicity, and that is the example is the sparfloxacin. As we have discussed in the classification how sparfloxacin is the methoxy group or amino group, and why it is type of this substitution. This is the big example is the sparfloxacin. Means sparfloxacin having a lowest phototoxicity. In a pharmacology, generally you are having the problem of why this sparfloxacin is the lowest phototoxicity, why lomefloxacin is the highest phototoxicity, because of their structure, activity relationship. Means SAR. Means if we are in the perfect SAR points, then we can easily understand the mechanism of action, easily understand the maximum side effect, or easily understand the which one the more potent, or whether that have a CNS effect or not. Okay, try to understand next point, that is the 11th point. Generally these are poor lipophilic. Why these molecules or fluoroquinolones or quinolones are poorly lipophilic? Because there are number of polar functional groups. Due to polar functional group, they have a lower lipophilicity. Means they have a higher hydrophilicity. If they have low lipophilicity, means poor lipophilic in nature, they will not cross triple. Means triple B means blood brain barrier. If any drug which do not cross triple B, which have no CNS effect, means if any drug or any infection is present in CNS, then these drugs are not effective. Okay, means any person have a CNS or in a brain there is an infection of any bacterial infection or whatever, then if you want to give the quinolones or sparfloxacin or lomefloxacin or whatever, we want to give that molecule or drug to treat particular infection, in that condition it will be worthless, because these drugs do not cross triple B. Means there will be no CNS effect. Okay, next one, that's the 12th point. Generally Fluoroquinolones. Most of quinolones are the fluoroquinolones. That's why I'm talking about fluoroquinolones. And our blood pH is generally alkaline nature, that is 7.2 or 7.4. In that condition, form Zwater ion in alkaline condition or alkaline pH. Due to this condition, means alkaline pH पे these fluoroquinolones form a Zwater ion. Generally, Zwater ion are less soluble and have the tendency to precipitate. Means these are less soluble. If these are less soluble at a particular alkaline condition, then what will happen? They will be precipitate down, which results, as you know, that all compounds, all drugs, or including blood volume that filter through the kidney, which cause what happen, that have the crystal urea as why these fluoroquinones form a Zwater ion, and Zwater ion is less soluble in alkaline medium, or due to alkaline medium less solubility have the tendency to precipitate in a particular position, that is generally kidney or nephrons. Precipitation means there is the formation of crystals, then that crystal formation or deposition of crystals known as crystal urea, means presence of crystals in a urine, means presence of crystals in urine. Okay, generally most of students are not able to understand why fluoroquinolones have a crystal urea problem, because now it is, I think it will be very clear to all of you. Fluoroquinolones form a Zwater ion in alkaline medium, and a Zwater ion have a less tendency to solubilize, means they have the tendency to precipitate down, means they get into formation into crystals, that is the crystal urea, that presence of crystals in a urine known as the crystal urea. Generally, which drugs cause this effect, that is norfloxacin and ciprofloxacin. Okay, thus these 12 points are important points which are related to SAR of quinolones or fluoroquinolones. Now I come to the question. Direct question will be in your university exam, that is the write short note on SAR of fluoroquinolones or quinolones, then you have to answer these point wise point, and try to write the structure of these drugs. As I have discussed these drugs, name of drugs, but you have to indicate the structure of their respective drugs. Okay, now try to just a quick review of this SCR points. Means this part, that is 1,4-dihydro-4-oxo-3-pyridine carboxylic acid is essential. This is annulated by aromatic ring, that may be possible. Pyridone is the essential form. This pyridine ring system can be replacement with isosteric, that is second position, fifth position, sixth position, or eighth position. Okay, at second position cannot be substituted. If we will undergo the substitution, then that drug molecule or that molecule will be inactive molecule. If we will substitute that complete substitution of this ring system means 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th, then that increase the activity. Generally fluoro 7-piperidinal is the more active due to the piperidinal moiety. 6th fluoro position have a higher activity due to the fluorine, and first position alkyl substitution or aryl may be also possible, that is trovafloxacin, and 8th position halogen they have. Then phototoxicity is the very prominent side effect, that is the example of lomefloxacin. But at the same time, if 5th or 8th position may be substituted by mean of amino or methoxy group, then in that condition there will be lowest phototoxicity. Example is the sparfloxacin. And these drugs are poor lipophilic in nature, that's why they do not cross BBB, and because this nature they have no CNS effect. Okay, and these fluoroquinolones form Zwater ion in alkaline condition, that's why they cause the crystal urea during the treatment of these drugs. Okay, this is all about the SAR of fluoroquinolones. Okay, दोस्तों यहीं पे मैं आपसे एक बात और कहना चाहूंगा, यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं आपको इमीडिएटली अलर्ट मिल जाए। यदि आपने अपने दोस्तों को, अपने सीनियर्स को, जूनियर्स को नहीं बताया इस चैनल के बारे में, तो प्लीज आप उनको भी बताएं, ताकि वो भी अपनी पढ़ाई को कंटिन्यू कर सके। और यहाँ पे मैं सभी तरह के टॉपिक्स डालने वाला हूँ, चाहे मैं मॉडल पेपर की बात करूं, चाहे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन की बात करूं, चाहे आपके करियर से रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी मैं आपको पूरी की पूरी देने की कोशिश करूंगा। इसी के साथ मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। थैंक यू वंस अगेन।